Hey Everion! Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media. Top 4 Best CNC Laser Engraver Review. Number 4. The Professional Lasers Mini Engraving Machine features a 4.5W for 45 plus or minus 5 nm blue CNC laser, ideal for detailed cuts and engravings on materials like acrylic, leather, and wood. This compact, high-precision engraver is perfect for woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts seeking quality results for custom projects. Number 3. The SculptFun S990W laser engraving and cutting machine offers high-precision CNC laser technology for wood, acrylic, and CO2 engraving. With a 410 by 420 mm working area, it delivers powerful, detailed cuts for personal and professional projects, making it an ideal tool for custom engraving and crafting applications. Number 2. Specifications: is smart device, yes, origin, mainland China, certification, EMC, CE, GS, brand name, Algo Laser, model number, DIY kit, motherboard, ALGO laser version 2.1, built-in, 32GB SD card, optical power, 5-5.5W, spot size. Number 1. The 2 Trees TTC for 50 CNC laser engraver is a versatile machine for wood, acrylic, PCB, PVC, and metal cutting. With precise CNC router milling and laser engraving capabilities, it's ideal for high-detail custom projects. This durable machine offers reliable performance for DIY enthusiasts and professionals in engraving, routing, and cutting. If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.